How to enable Xbox two-factor authentication. In order to enable two-factor authentication on your Xbox account, you need to do it through your Microsoft account over here. So open your any kinds of browser over here. After that, you want to simply go to the official Microsoft account's website over here, log in into your account, and once you're inside your account, what you want to do is you want to simply tap on your profile over here and tap on your profile again over here on the view account option. You can simply tap on view account option on your profile, and by doing so, you'd be able to find all kinds of settings over here. You can simply tap on these 9 dots over here, and by doing so, you'd be able to find your Microsoft option over here. What you can do is you can simply come back from here, tap on your profile again, tap on my profile. Here you can simply scroll down, and if any kinds of security options is available, you can simply tap on that security options, go to security over here, and you'd be able to set up your two-step verification inside there. If you find the option, you can simply scroll down on here, and you'd be able to see an option called device protection. You can simply tap on device protection over here, and by doing so, you'd be able to follow all kinds of prompts to set up your account over here. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.